Hello, dear sister, I'm Kaleo. Have you ever paused in the middle of your day and felt the quiet pulse of life moving through you? The breath that enters your body, the beat of your heart, the ground beneath your feet. This is experiencing the sacred within you. For too long, we've been taught to believe that sacred belongs only in temples, churches, or special ceremonies somewhere outside of our ordinary lives. But sacredness is not separate. It is at the core of who we are. And to be in this human body, to walk on this earth, to breathe the same air as the trees and everything else in nature, this is to live in relationship with the sacred. Now, the ancient Hawaiians knew this, and they had a word for this way of living, or a phrase, Aloha Lokahi. And you may know aloha as a greeting, hello and goodbye, and it is used for that. But at its heart, it has such a deeper meaning to it. The breath of life, the presence of love in each moment. And when someone greets you or leaves you saying aloha, they are wishing you love and also that you live the very best life you choose. Now, Lokahi means unity, harmony, and balance. So together, Aloha Lokahi is the teachings that nothing in this life is separate. We are one body, one breath, one spirit with the Aina, the land. And we are connected to each other and the divine in every moment. Now, this isn't just kind of a poetic thing. The Hawaiian language itself was created to reflect this truth. With only 12 letters in their alphabet and 50% less words in their vocabulary, it was designed as a living language of positivity, filled only with words for love, joy, harmony, and unlimited possibility, and free of anything negative. The Hawaiians knew the words we speak have power and create the world we live in. And so to live Aloha Lokahi is to remember that every step, every breath carries meaning. And it is to choose love instead of criticism, connection instead of separation, possibility instead of limitation. And this is not just positive thinking. It is a remembrance. And then in taking action with your thoughts and then your words to create the life you choose. And as a wise woman, you carry this remembrance within you, deep in your bones and in your innate wisdom, and who you are from all your lived experiences. You know how to live in relationship with the land, with one another, with the unseen. But for generations of limiting conditioning, we as women have been taught to believe we are broken, not enough, too much, or unimportant, to doubt ourselves, to make ourselves small, and to forget our connection to the sacred within us. But I'm here to tell you that time is at an end. It is now the time of your sacred return. And it is not about fixing yourself, because you were never broken. It is not about becoming someone new. It is about remembering that you are already whole, already sacred, already connected to everything and everyone. And this return begins to happen in simple moments. When you light a candle with intention, when you listen deeply to another woman's story, when you pause to breathe and feel the ground beneath your feet. And these ordinary acts, they become ceremony when we bring awareness to them. And that brings in the sacredness. It brings it back into your everyday life, moment by moment. And living this ancient system of Aloha Lokahi, well, this is the path to letting go of this old conditioning and remembering your sacred connection in each moment to live this life you choose. And these ancient Hawaiian teachings are the foundation of the work I now do to help women, especially in midlife and beyond, to step into your wise woman power and rise up together in your feminine essence and leadership. And if you'd like to learn more, you can just visit theheartofaloha.com. Sister, this is the time of your sacred return, and welcome back home to yourself. Aloha.